I was looking for a wireless microphone for my phone that can gives me crisp and clear audio. Another requirement that I have for this wireless microphone that it has to be compact and easy to use, you know, like plug and play kind. And of course, it shouldn't break my bank. So I found this, the Ulanzi Wireless Microphone, which is compatible to my phone, easy to use, compact, plug and play, and definitely pocket friendly. In this video, I'll be doing a short unboxing and a field test for both indoor and also outdoor. Okay, I'm going to go through a quick unboxing of the Ulanzi Wireless Microphone J12. So mine is the iPhone, so I bought the lightning one. That is also for the Android, so just make sure that for the Android it will be for USB-C and for iPhone will be the lightning. Okay, so this is the box, and inside the box there is user manual and of course the microphone. It also have the charging cable, the USB to USB-C, so you can charge the microphone. Okay, now let's take a look at the microphone itself. So this microphone case it's very sleek and it's very compact. It's as big as my palm. Yeah, my palm. And it is magnetic for the cover. So I think it's really fantastic. So you don't accidentally drop the microphone. So it's very secure. So the charging port is here, where you can actually use the cable just now and charge it over here. And it has one transmitter. This will go to your phone. If you bought the one for Android, then this will come with the USB-C. Okay, this is the transmitter, and then the two receivers. Even the receivers are magnetic. If you just let me show you how it's magnetic. Is this? Yeah. So it's actually magnetic, and once it's in the case, it is charging for you. So you can charge the case to charge both all the three items, which are the transmitter and the two receivers. So when you have two transmitters, it's really good for two different people interviewing, if you have interview session. So one is for your interviewee and one is for yourself, and both will get a crisp audio. Alright, so now let's hear the quality test for both indoor and outdoor for this Ulanzi wireless microphone. Okay, so this is the field test for indoor using the Ulanzi microphone. So this is how you will sound like when you are using it indoors. So actually it's raining outside. If you look at my window here, it's actually raining outside, but the sound of it's raining quite heavily actually. Yeah, the sound of the raindrops and the thunder, it kind of like not being picked up by the microphone, which I think is really fantastic for a simple, compact wireless microphone. I thought I would just share a little bit on what it's like, a typical day of my life when I don't do any filming or I don't do any video work. So usually my day will start between 5:30 to 6 o'clock. I don't do work straight away, but that will I will actually settle my household chores early in the morning, and I will do some stretching. If it's raining outside, I don't like go out and run. If not, then I will just do a very quick 3 to 5 kilometer slow jog, and then I'll come back and wash up, freshen up, and then I will just start straight away. So usually I don't go beyond 10 o'clock to start my work. Usually I will start my work about 8 to 9, depending on how taxing or how much of work that I need to do on that particular day. I will usually keep to 5 to 6 to-do lists in a day. I don't go beyond that. And this to-do list, I feel, for me personally, I feel it works because it gives me focus. I'm having to run two businesses at one time. One is Pacific Productions, and one is I co-founded a freelance community called the Freelancers Academy. I need to kind of like divide my work daily for both business. So if I do have editing work, then I just focus on editing work. I don't add in to-do list. So if you are struggling with, focus, try this to-do list because it has helped me focus on my productivity, focus on what I need to do, and don't forget to take breaks in between, okay? Don't just slam all 5 to 6 to-do lists and do at one go. Take breaks in between the list, about 20 minutes or so. Yes, I think this is the quality test for indoor area. I'll be doing the outdoor quality test in the next segment. Alright, see you then. It's 8 a.m. in the morning today, and I'm outside already waiting for my Grab to go for my filming site. So I'm here to test the quality of the Ulanzi Wireless Microphone when it's being used outdoor. So right now it's quite noisy here, and my house is basically like near the road, so you can hear the quality of the Ulanzi Wireless Microphone when you actually do an outdoor. So I'll be bringing you to a little bit of behind the scenes of my work today, and I'll be using the microphone throughout the session. Okay, see you then. So I just finished filming and I'm on the way back home. Couldn't do some shots outside just now because it was raining heavily, so we had to go indoor. So this is the best quality that I can let you all see or let you all hear when you use the Ulanzi wireless microphone when you are outdoors. So I'm now very near to the road, okay, and there are some vehicles coming in and out, and you can hear the quality of the microphone when you are actually using it for outdoor. So yep, so this is how you will sound like when you are using the Ulanzi wireless when you're outdoor. Overall, I think it's a good buy, especially if you want to upgrade and improve the quality of your audio for your videos. The Ulanzi wireless microphone is less than $30, and you can find the link in the description below for you to purchase. Check out this video if you want to know more about other types of microphones that may be suitable for you for your videos.